Welcome to Tameka's Frugal Fridays. I'm your budget coach, Tameka D. Word for the day: don't predict what you fear. Think about it. Okay, today I want to speak on the Lifeline Assistance Program. The Lifeline Assistance Program is a federally funded program that was created in 1985. This program assists people who are enrolled in Medicare, a state-funded health care program, or SNAP, by providing them with free wireless service. This service includes free data, talk, and text with no contracts or no hidden fees. Bring your own phone or buy a low-cost phone. No credit checks, annual contracts, or activation fees. I'm sharing the link for easy access. Have a good night.